this is your PHS News Today for January 24th. Auditions for Peter and the Starcatcher will be Wednesday and Thursday, and students 7th through 12th is welcome to auditions. See Ms. Wishart for more information. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Junior high students, representatives from 21st Century Scholar will be here on Wednesday, the 22nd. 8th grade representative information will be during homeroom. In the cafeteria, 7th grade will get their information during their English class. Make sure you are here on Wednesday to get this information. And now to Payton with your Rams sports report.
Tonight, girls JV and varsity basketball will be at Mitchell at 6. Junior high girls basketball will be at Orleans. Boys freshman basketball will be away at Forest Park. Come support your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Audrey.
And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Checking out the radar today, we won't see any rain coming in for the next few days. Today we'll have a high of 34 and a low of 20, and then tomorrow on Wednesday we'll have a high of 41 and a low of 32, and then on Thursday we'll have a high of 45 and a low of 36. Back to you.
I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.